because if I'm not done by the 28th, I'm probably gonna go to jail. I can definitely see how it's gonna prevent the oil from sloshing. You don't gotta like me, but you will respect me. Speak to the man in charge. Let me speak to the owner. That's you. So what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm just here to hang out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're pretty cool, huh? It's 0 miles. It's only been started like 3 times.
That's crazy. He's just straight stunting it out right off the rip.
Yeah, guy from New York. Yep, I got another one I'm doing immediately after this one, too.
Nice. So are you Brian? I don't know face.
I'm Brian's brother.
Oh, okay. Well, I watch his videos, but there's no face.
Yeah, that's part of it.
Yeah.
Why don't you go interview Evan?
What can you bring to the company?
That was a job interview. This went from an interview to a job interview. I'm gonna take it from a customer standpoint. If I wanted to come to the Misguided shop, I don't know if I would want to come to buy anything, but I would just want to come to meet me. So that's
To meet you?
Yeah.
Do you guys think you would come to meet Evan?
Would you?
Because he seemed pretty blonde. There's right. You've just been laying on the couch sleeping the whole time.
Well, what do you want me to do, Justin? Justin gets mad every time I go behind the counter, but then he wants me to do shit. I don't get it.
Why do you want this job?
Do people know about this unit?
Oh, people know about this.
That's good.
We've made some serious progress on it. I got the monoblock in for it. Honestly, it's like pretty good. Like I just need to really jam on it for like another like week or so, and it'll be done. If I don't ride this bike out of here by the end of October, then I forfeit. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm running out of time. Will you hold this up for me, Evan?
Yeah. Hold on. Alright.
Get off it. I'm gonna lift it.
Yeah, that's go ahead.
Putting it on a stand.
Yeah, go ahead.
Get off the bike. Just come over on this side. It'll be way easier for you. You good, Evan?
I'm great, Justin.
Okay. This big boy shit. Busa shit. 1300 shit. Oh, you're a big man, huh? Well, you can't be that big of a man if you don't got 1300 cc's between your legs. Feel the power between your legs, little boy? You feel the power between your legs, little boy? More tires. Do a lot of them. A whole slew of tires. I should charge you double if it's fucking full of slime. Charge you more if you try to slime it because it makes a big fucking mess. And then it makes me look like I got cum all over myself when I didn't. It smells really bad too. Off in the mangroves. You won't last 30 seconds in these mangroves. You can do whatever you want in your mangrove.
What is a mangrove?
Build your mangrove. Do whatever you want to the townsfolk. Right?
Even got it on video.
That what color was it?
It was I'm on
The thumbnail, right?
the thumbnail, man. Cue the loop. Somebody stole it out of my garage.
What, 2 weeks ago?
Like, yeah, 2-3 weeks ago.
Was it like they just broke in and taken it, or was it?
I don't know how. I asked my landlord for camera footage, and he said he's not showing me. And then he told me to get my dirt bike out the garage. And I had a tracker in it, an Apple tag, and it was the last scene. It was last seen in Humboldt Park. The tracker.
The same day? Or like when did you track it?
When I found out, it was the day after they took it. And then I went to go.
You got a picture of it we could throw up too, just in case? Like,
Yeah.
I can put it in right now. We could like, if anybody sees, you know.
Thank you. I do have a picture.
Is that you leaving my fucking alley?
I live too far.
You get the fuck out.
I live too fucking far from here.
You keep it up, I'll bring you back and jerk you off, okay?
In the mangroves.
That sounds too personal. I gotta get out of here.
I don't know who's doing that.
That's crazy. I know.
The bottle
The
thing?
same bottle. Same type of. Yeah, I found one yesterday. Well, it stopped for about a week, so I like to think that he got locked up. Maybe he was sick. I didn't see him for a week, but he's back. That's me when I find a piss bottle in the alley after a week of no piss bottles.
What?
He's back.
You can tell me if you were the one that was leaving the piss bottle.
This is fucking.
I won't tell him.
I don't know, bro. I don't know anything. I just found this shirt. That's why I put it on. I just put it on.
I don't even know that guy.
I don't even know this.
Hey, this is an NBB, isn't it?
This is.
It's a Benelli, right? Oh.
It's a KP Mini 150 from a farm.
Let's talk about it.
China.
Get out of the way.
It's a China bike.
It looks good though.
But it had a 150 and I took it out.
Turn signals?
Yes, sir.
That's silly looking.
Silly?
Maybe. Can I ride it?
1 up, 4 down. GP style.
I can drive. Yeah, I got it. I'm sure I got it, huh? 1 up, 4 down?
Yes, sir. GP style.
Turn ahead. Dude, these rear steps are crazy.
I know, you like that?
You pose it like that. All right.
What's going on, everybody?
Tell us why you love Mini Monday.
Why do I love Mini Monday? Let me tell you why I love Mini Monday. You get to have a blast with these guys that are going crazy on this fucking streets of Chicago, and I love being part of it. And then we all get to go out and eat, have a good time, hang out, talk, bullshit, and all that good stuff, you know, and all hang out together and have a good time. I mean, I'm 53, but I love this bike thing.
When did you start? When did you start riding?
5 years ago.
5 years ago. What did you start on?
Ice Bear Mad Dog at 2017, 4 to 5 years ago. You got 2 more guys that just pulled up on bikes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's up? That's the young man right here. What's going on, buddy? It's the young guy. What up, Nick?
What's up?
I wish I was young. I'm falling apart.
You're still vertical. I think you're doing good.
I need a new ankle. And the doctor's like, I don't know how you're walking like that. I don't know how you're walking with cartilage on cartilage.
Dude, actually, like you've got like
Nothing, bro.
no cushion there anymore.
Nothing, bro. No cushion.
That's like.
I don't feel it that much.
Oh no.
I don't feel it.
What's up?
What's going on, guys? What's up, Nick?
I broke my femur a year ago. I'm still back on it. Broke my ankle 2 years ago. I'm still on the bike. I can't get off. I'll ride till I die.
Hell yeah. You think they'll put air in my tire? Where are you from? Michigan.
Slamming that back brake, huh?
Oh, fuck yeah. This thing will do burnouts. I'll show you.
Okay, come in the back.
The Twisted Tea guy. Did you bring Twisteds? Did you?
Every time.
Every fucking time he walks through the door, he's got a full
Mini
case.
Monday vibe,
He's
man.
got
You like wild, loud noises? This is how you pull up in the Hyundai, my man. What's going down? Yo, this is the fucking unit. Can we have a tour? Come on. All right, man. That's awesome that you're out here like this.
Yes, sir.
Mini Monday. What will people do to get here? Bro, that guy's car, like half the dash isn't even there. And I'm like, you look like you probably have hardcore drugs in here.
I gotta say, welcome to Mini Monday.
There you go.
We're having a great day. Not out here. I don't know. We're sleeping under a rock.
Yeah, you want to hold that for me?
You like it here, Nick? You like it here? Let him ride backpack with you. Do you want to hang on to Bailey all night? What? Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. What, you don't want to hang on to Bailey?
You're too close.
Oh, am I not reading the room? Am I not reading the room? Yeah, we're medium Mike.
What did you say?
Medium Mike, that's what we're calling Big Mike now. Just because he's more of a medium-sized guy. We don't have a Big Mike right now. It's medium Mike.
Spots open?
Yeah.
Spots open.
Yeah, we're taking applicants for a Big Mike. We got stacks and then medium Mike's filled. We got hooked on the crack. We're looking for a new Big Mike. Whose bike is this? Obviously, you got a lot of time into it, right?
There's a lot of Raiders shit.
Are you a Raiders fan?
Hell yeah. We on Mars, Venus, or wherever. Raider Nation, baby. It's got a 212 on it. What's that? 212 Predator motor.
Okay.
And just start putting a lot of Raider decals on it.
Yeah.
Then you know I got my Raiders gear on.
You have to.
Yeah, you know.
You're on that.
And we playing today, so you know I had to represent. Game time today and Mini Monday. I'm gonna go grab me some more beers. We gonna get it in. Mini Monday, y'all should be out here.
Hello. The bikes will be out here in a couple minutes. Sorry.
Birthday money! You know the vibe. You gotta shake that birthday ass for some birthday money. Don't get hit by a car. Pick it up. Straight down, motherfucker. Come on. Take the pin. So we got these baffles in from On Point. You have to run these, otherwise you are gonna put your motor at risk of oil starving. And that's never good because it's an expensive mistake, and why not just spend $80 to $100 on some baffles and get the most out of your motor. On Point oil pickups, we're gonna drop the oil pan, slide this guy in there, gasket maker it all up, and then put it back together. This way, he's never gonna starve his motor of oil. We got these super cool black, man, I gotta blow my nose. Super cool black HEL lines. You can get the tips anodized on them. We went with black. So this is gonna be for his front brakes, and then we got a big long 80-inch for his handbrake. And then once that's all set up, I can put his triple and the clip-ons on, and then we can put the plastics on. And this thing will come together really quick. Because if I'm not done by the 28th, I'm probably gonna go to jail. So we'll get that buttoned up and do gasket maker on both sides of this just to make sure that it seals real good. I can definitely see how it's gonna prevent the oil from sloshing and going into the places where the pickup isn't able to get to it. Pretty straightforward. You know when it's in there. On Point, another great product. Sweet. That's garbage. And now we can put this really nice Cox triple Cox. We're gonna take these stock clip-ons off,
do Cox clip-ons, the Cox triple with the integrated reservoirs. It's gonna be real slick, real nice, and Peter's gonna love it. This triple tree is slicker than owl shit. I was under the weather yesterday.
Were you?
Yeah, I'm still pretty warm.
Worried about you.
Yeah.
You stayed in with Scoot?
Yeah, sometimes he needs a day of me. You know, a lot of people think that I rescued Scooter, but I like to think he rescued me. I'm gonna have to cut the fucking windscreen, but we'll get to that. I'm crunch time on this, almost.
For real?
Not really.
Do you have an end date?
This is October 28th.
Oh shit, man.
What?
You're running out of time.
Yeah.
I'm running out of time.
You might get fired.
Leave down in the comments. Run the clip-ons below or above the triple. Leave down in the comments what you guys think. I personally think that the structural integrity helps the clip-on have this extra little bit of strength.
Brian also thought that me running the triple like this lowered the height of the bike, so, you know.
Well, it doesn't lower the height of the bike, but it's structural integrity.
That's what you said. I need that lift. So I need his fucking wheel bearings.
To jack this up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, the wheel bearings will be here probably tomorrow, hopefully. George, what do you think?
They're all news to me.
It'll work for you?
Okay.
You just care about your money, right?